Frankie. Oh hello. Gawu like Pagawo, baby dance. Arabo dance. Like my dance. Arabo dance.
So ladies, please, you know what to do. I'm not going to tell you now. You know what to do. Just wait though.
Yes, that's why I dropped my contact.
All right, so I want you to connect with your people. I believe a lot of the Ezekiel fans are actually, looking at. Why are you looking at me like that? You don't know how to speak a language.
No,
Don't do that to your people, man.
No.
So just go ahead and hail them in your language. In your language, just let them know that their son is around.
Well, that's crazy, man.
Mm-hmm.
But let's start this way.
Okay.
You guys should calm down. Okay. I hear everybody from Asiado local government, Enugu State, Izamino precisely, everybody around trying to make this happen for me this time.
Yeah.
One piece of everybody.
I have a feeling that you didn't grow up in Enugu.
Yeah, obviously I didn't go.
It's very obvious though. It's very obvious. But you don't have to. There's no shame in that though.
No.
There's no shame in that. A lot of people, due to some things, I believe you even as you are now, you're making your people proud.
Yeah, definitely.
As you are now, you're doing a lot of things to make them proud so far.
Yeah.
So I gotta ask you, what are the encounters you've faced in music? You've done music 2 years professionally. I believe you must have faced a lot of difficulties in music.
Yeah.
With the politics, because I realize that it's not just about I know how to sing, I know how to rap. Yeah, you understand. So there's a lot of politics in play. So what are the difficulties you've faced so far in music?
Okay, let me see. I was on then as an upcoming artist. You understand? It was crazy, man. It was difficult, very very difficult because then nobody knows you, and then when you try to promote your song, whichever way you want to, just get bullshit. Just throw you one side.
Any more of those words that you say? You're gonna give me 20,000. Put it in my pocket, just in case.
Okay. It was actually fun. So especially when you're trying to make it from the other side. Let's just say for Lagos, for example, when you want to try and push your song in Lagos, you just have to pay. Everything you have to do, you have to pay in double. You have to double up everything you're doing. Your sound, you have to change your sound. You have to try and make your sound come to what's alive. Understand? Try and get good video directors. Try and everything has to just double up
on ace level.
Push, So it was crazy.
But you seem to, be on top of the competition at the moment. You seem to be abreast with everything. Gradually, then.
Gradually.
But it's coming, though. It's certainly coming. So what have you done so far? What songs have you, done?
Okay, I have 4 songs out there now. Starting from, I just signed into Weflo Empire.
I was going to ask you that.
Hello everybody, it's time to shake your body. Call your daddy and call your mommy, cause they don't say it's time to jolly. Frankie killing the microphone. Tell them people will make them know. Your head, your shoulders down to your toe. None of you hear the kick one day go. The way you whine for me, the way you roll it for me, the way you move your toe, check out with your toe. I'm feeling the way you roll it for me, the way you move your toe, check out with your toe. I'm feeling your way and I'm liking your way. The way you roll it for me, the way you put your toe, check out with your baby dance. Arabo dance. Like my dance. Arabo dance. I'm a date on the guitar. He give me tele, I am not going to get tele. I'm a date on the guitar. He give me tele, I am not going to get tele. Frankie.